Let's dive deeper into how your team can use MAJiK Visual Factory to make your production meetings more effective. The template will guide you through evaluating your operations using 3 main classifications. The first step is to evaluate individual equipment's performance. The second step is to evaluate how well you are producing against production targets and jobs. And then finally, you will evaluate how each shift is performing. In the equipment evaluation, you'll want to answer key questions such as what equipment is going down and what are the main reasons for downtime. How are the key performance indicators such as OEE, MTBF, and MTTR tracking over time? Are there patterns in the data that will allow us to identify issues before they happen or spot wear on a machine? Evaluating data should start before the meeting. Even if rushed for time, equipment operators can pull up their station's data on their mobile device to quickly review it. Using the equipment monitor screen, you can evaluate each piece of equipment or work cell's key performance indicators, process control variables, and main downtime reasons. In this example, the work cell is starved frequently, giving a clue into why it's underperforming. We can use the downtime analysis screen to dig down deeper and find more detailed information, including MTBF and MTTR. If a downtime input is missing or misclassified, you can correct it in the downtime analysis view. When you have found a set of filters that highlight an issue you want to discuss in your production meeting, you can save the report and share it in an email with your colleagues, so they can also review before the meeting.